Welcome to the final demonstration video of ICO, an interactive iOS learning app for orthodontic students. We are Team IC Wombat. In this short video, we'll highlight our product overview, main features, and future improvements. You can also use the timeline below to jump between sections. Before we start, here's a quick look at our setup. ICO was built with TypeScript in VS Code and deployed to iOS with Capacitor. It runs natively through Xcode simulators and on real devices, allowing smooth testing and fast iteration. With the core foundation ready, let's follow a student using the app. Alice is a second-year dental student preparing for her orthodontics midterm. She spends hours commuting from Geelong to campus, time she used to lose completely. Now with ICO, she turns that travel time into productive study sessions. She opens the app on her iPhone and sees 3 tabs: chapters, videos, and quizzes. On the train, Alice starts from the Chapters tab to review a topic for her upcoming exam. Even without an internet connection, she can access everything she needs offline. All chapters are split into short and easy-to-follow sections. She can move through the pages using Next and Previous, pausing to view diagrams. When the carriage lights dim, she switches on night mode, a small touch for eye comfort. As the train moves along, Alice opens the floating menu and taps Mark as complete for the sections she's finished, watching progress bars turn green, a small but motivating moment. The app also keeps track of how long she's been studying. The timer runs automatically in the background and pauses whenever she stops. Before getting off, Alice taps the bookmark button to save her spot to continue later. That evening, back at home, Alice switches from her iPhone to her iPad. She opens ICO, taps Resume Reading, and returns to the exact section she left earlier, so she can continue right where she stopped without missing a beat. At home, Alice customizes her reading experience to suit her study mood. She enlarges the font slightly for comfort and opens the quick menu for faster navigation. The menu automatically scrolls to highlight her last visited section, helping her jump around without going back to the main page. She also sets a study reminder from the top left menu, scheduling a gentle notification to remind her to study tomorrow. When she feels like taking a short break from reading, Alice taps on the Videos tab. Here, she can watch step-by-step demonstrations of orthodontic procedures and clinical techniques. She can also switch to full screen mode for a clearer view. Finally, Alice moves on to the Quiz tab, her favorite part of ICO. She answers each question by tapping directly on the image. She taps hotspots on clinical images. Incorrect tabs show red, correct ones turn green. Once all hotspots are correctly answered, a burst of confetti appears, a small reward after a long day. After exploring the app through a student's day, here's what's coming next. We built a learning analytics pipeline that tracks quiz results in study time. The dashboard runs on Firebase and also works offline. For public release, analytics are turned off to meet App Store privacy rules, but they can be enabled easily following our Enabling Database Analytics Markdown guide. Next, a lab team from RMIT will add an AR module. With Apple Vision Pro, students will interact with 3D orthodontic models using hand gestures, offering a more immersive anatomy experience. To conclude, this release delivers a complete and polished learning experience. Performance on iOS devices has been verified completely. Our client was very happy with the final result. She confirmed it supports teaching goals and is ready for App Store release. We look forward to orthodontic students using ICO soon and beginning a modern interactive learning journey on Apple devices. And before you go, don't forget to rate ICO inside the app. We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching.